It's MELONARE star, and today I will be doing something brand new. I'm doing a major product review by a company called MELONARE. Now y'all, listen, when I first heard of the product, I was like, I need that. I think us as artists, musicians, whether you engineer, anything in the music industry, stage production, anything like that, this is the product you need. Listen, it's a company called MELONARE, and they just sent 2 new products my way, which I'm gonna showcase to y'all today. Matter of fact, right now. Now look, I ain't even opened the box for y'all yet, but this is how it comes. It comes with a handle, so that way, if you're on tour, or if you just going to your next performance, you know what I'm saying? You can just carry it like a suitcase. You ain't even just pack everything in the box. You don't need no extra nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna get straight to it, right? Cause I'm gonna show y'all how to set it up. I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. I'm gonna tell y'all all about it. Let's get to it. So first, let's open the box. Let's see what's in here, right? Woo. Now MELONARE, they all about quality. One thing about MELONARE, they all about quality. You know what I'm saying? Fresh out the box. Remind me of the interface, you know what I mean? Or if you got a wireless mic set up, you know, you need the box for it. So it's a crispy, quality, nice looking box. You got that. Then got this that come with it right here. I'm gonna tell y'all about each one of these pieces that I show you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it, right? You got the cables, antenna, you know what I'm saying? You got the rack if you want to mount it, you know what I mean? Like sometimes you need to mount things, whether you're behind the stage or in the studio. You know what I'm saying? And you got your adapters and all that. So, experience true sound with the wireless in-ear monitoring system. The in-ear monitor wireless features an advanced auto scan function with up to 50 selectable UHF frequencies. The IEM system ensures reliable multi-set operation. The in-ear, the IR sync feature simplifies the pairing process, providing a fast and hassle-free setup. It's very easy to set up. You see what I'm saying? Enjoy flexible control with adjustable RF power on the wireless IE system, allowing you to adapt to varying environments. See, one thing about this system is this is one that MELONARE made for whether you're in a big concert, on tour, whatever, or if it's a small venue. So either way it go, you good with MELONARE. With an advanced UHF chip design and analog circuitry, the in-ear monitor system provides up to 160 feet of interference-free range. It maintains a stable signal even in crowded environments and supports up to 4 simultaneous systems. The system delivers high-quality, clean sound with the integrated 12 dB pad switch. These are the pad switches, you know what I'm saying? Very easy to push, very easy to access, you know what I mean? It's pretty simple. Like, I'm gonna show you how to set up in a minute. And it prevents, well, the pad switches prevent input overload and ensures distortion-free audio, so you ain't gotta worry about no distortion. Now musicians, you know we big on that. We don't need no distortion in the audio. All my engineers, y'all know, sometimes distortion is good, but when it comes to on stage and everything, we don't want nothing to sound distorted to the people. So with that being said, let me show y'all how to set it up. All right, so y'all ready to set up the product? Let's do it. So first, number one, always got to set up the power. You always got to power it up. Yes, sir. We all powered up. That's number one. Next, we're going to connect the antenna. You know what I'm saying? You just connect it to the back right here. We're going to connect the antenna to the transmitter via the ant jack. So that's this jack right here. Right here's the jack all the way to the right. So we're going to connect that first. Let's move this out the way for a second. All you got to do is push and twist, push and twist. Yep, boom. And it's my first time setting this up, so it's that easy. Antenna set up. Next, we're going to turn on other devices, connect the power supply to the transmitter via the power jack. We already did that. For 2 seconds, turn it on. We already did that. Next. All right, this is important. Connect the audio source to the stereo audio input jacks of the transmitter via a 6.35 mm XLR cables. So, all my musicians, y'all know this too, as well. And I'm gonna teach the public right now. Anytime you guys see inputs that look like this, that's for a mic. And that ain't just for any old mic. That's for a real deal mic. You know what I'm saying? Because when you're doing the cheap mics, you can't put that shit into this. So even if you spend good money on this MELONARE product, you can't put no cheap ass, my bad, you can't put no cheap mic into this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta invest right. And when you investing in MELONARE, you know you good. So, you know what I'm saying? Once you get a nice quality mic, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, about $100 and up, something like that. As long as you go up from $100 or you start at $100, you get you at least a decent mic, and then you can get this to connect to this. And then, cause you know, that's when you will start performing. You get serious, you will start performing and doing shows and everything. So, boom. So usually you will connect the mic to the inputs right there. Easy, simple. Next, we're gonna turn on the receiver. This is the receiver right here, this walkie-talkie looking thing. You know what I'm saying? We just turn it on. You gotta install fresh batteries into it. So as you see, they already got the batteries in there. You just take it. Install the batteries, AA, close it with the correct polarity, and then you gotta connect the earphones. So MELONARE does give you earphones complimentary with the product. You see what I'm saying? Because when you dealing with quality, they gonna give you what you need. You feel? So they give you the earphones with it. Give it a little baggie like this, you know what I'm saying? Throw that back in there. We don't need none of that right now. This is extra stuff that it come with just in case you need it. But they give you the earphones, you know what I'm saying? And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You figure out which ear the earphone go to. One says right, one says left. You just gotta look closely. Throw them in. Right before you get on stage, backstage, you do like this. Then you just answer them in the earphone slot right there till it click. And then you long press the power button to turn it on. Which this receiver, if I'm not mistaken, you just twist it like that till it, you twist the middle part right there. That knob is 2 knobs. You twist the one on top all the way over, all the way right until it turn on. And as y'all can see, it's powered on. So we got both the systems powered on so far. Next, step 3, set up the transmitter. You just short press, tap the set button to enter the transmitter menu, which is this button right here. Just short tap it. Then it'll go like that for you. And then that's entering the transmitter menu, and you can select the desired settings functions, including IR synchronization. So, and then you also can get to the channel number setting, RF adjustment, and lock function. So pretty much, when you short tap this set button right here in the middle, you can get to any of the settings you need to get to. You know what I'm saying? This is everything right here, where it says set. You know what I mean? So, as y'all can see, you see that? Then if I keep pressing it, it changed to the channel. It changed to the RF adjustment. And then it changed to the lock function. So it's pretty simple, you know what I mean? You just short tap to do whatever you want to do. Alright. Now, the IR synchronization is pretty much the first one. Boom. When you do that, see that? That's the synchronization right there. And then what you do is you align this, you take this right here. Y'all see that IR? The IR little, it's not a button, it's just gonna like, it's gonna like flash, you know what I'm saying, when it connect. You just basically open this, like you're changing batteries, but you're not changing batteries, you're trying to synchronize it. And you just press that like that, and then you see how that IR button, so you put the IR to the IR. You just put them together. And it's gonna sync. You know what I'm saying? And then now when it's synced, you will know it's synced because it'll say the same numbers that the actual system says. So both systems will say the same number. So this will say 918.300, 918.300. Pretty simple. And then if you want to change this channel, that's what we're about to get to now. Same thing. You just change the channel and then you sync it like that to get to the whatever channel you want to be on. So I'm gonna show you, right? So we're gonna do the channel number setting. You're gonna short press and tap the set button again, just like we did before. Put it a little closer for y'all. Then we're gonna select channel this time. Now, see it says channel 33. You can switch that with the arrows, right? Boom. Damn, I don't want to break the damn system now. See how I'm switching the channels like that? I can go all the way up or down to whatever channel I want to be on. So we'll keep it at 40 for now because I took it up a notch. So that's how you switch the channels, just with the arrows to the desired channel number. RF adjustment. Same thing. Set, go to the channel, then you go to the RF. Right? Same thing. You just use the arrows. You got RF low, got RF high. You got RF low, you got RF high. You know what I'm saying? So, simple setup. You know what I'm saying? It's not difficult. Alright, so that's the RF adjustment. You got high mode and you got low mode. Now the lock function, just to show y'all you can switch the lock function from the set button like I told y'all before. You just do the same thing. Up or down. Set, up or down. Lock, unlock. You short tap it up or down to lock or unlock the setting on the screen. So, and then if you just want to pair, you know, cause you could pair up multiple receivers. So, it's the same way I showed you guys before. Just, you know what I'm saying, set, synchronize it. But it's a little different when you're setting up multiple ones. The transmitter's LED light will flash red during pairing to indicate it is in pairing mode. And then if you would like to use several simultaneously for monitoring the same audio signal, you just pair up all the receivers for the same frequency number. So the same way I showed y'all, you just use the same frequency number and you're good. You're in there. That's how you set up the MELONARE SD-2. You know who. Major D Star. I showed y'all. You know what I'm saying? And just quick for y'all too. It come with a clip. Y'all might not see me no more, but y'all should see me be able to clip this bad boy like this for the show. Do like that. Grab the mic and you're ready to go. Yeah.